years, I completed this potion. It can make anybody powerful. Oh crap. Gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, I'm so thirsty. The cops are after me. That bank robbery was hard. Oh, drink. Oh, footsteps. Oh, the police are after me. We're gonna go hide. Now I get back making my potion. What? What's potion? I spent 3 years making that. I'll never make it again. I must find out who drank this potion for revenge. Who is he? Where could have he gone? What the? Oh crap! It's a guy. He's after. He doesn't look like the police. What? He's gonna report me to the police. Ah! That guy. The guy. He's the one who drank the potion. I must go after him. I need to get some weapons. Woo! Oh yeah. All right. Take this. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's go get that thief. Okay, let's find him. Hey, I think he's behind that thing right there.
So, you found out where I was.
You're the one who drank my potion.
Oh yeah, I got so strong I can lift this big piece of gold and even bend it.
Whoa. Work. The potion. Work.